Entering the 2025 Christmas holiday period, the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency (BMKG) has issued an early weather warning that the public should be aware of in several regions across Indonesia. Based on the warning, moderate to very heavy rainfall is forecast to occur on December 26, 2025, with strong winds potentially accompanying the rain in a number of areas. Over the past week, the BMKG has recorded a significant increase in the cold surge index. This condition indicates the presence of cold air flow from the Asian continent moving toward the Indonesian region. Referring to the early weather data for Indonesia released by BMKG, the following is a list of regions potentially affected by heavy rainfall and strong winds on Friday, December 26, 2025. First, regions with the potential for moderate to heavy rainfall include Aceh, North Sumatra, West Sumatra, Riau, Riau Island, South Sumatra, Bengkulu, Banten, DKI Jakarta, East Java, Bali, West Nusa Tenggara, West Kalimantan, North Kalimantan, South Kalimantan, North Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi, South Sulawesi, Southeast Sulawesi, North Maluku, Maluku, Southwest Papua, West Papua, Papua Highlands, and Papua. Second, regions with the potential for heavy to very heavy rainfall include Bangka Belitung Islands, Lampung, West Java, Central Java, the special region of Yogyakarta, East Nusa Tenggara, Central Kalimantan, East Kalimantan, and West Sulawesi. Third, regions with the potential for strong winds include East Java, Lampung, and Maluku. Therefore, the public is urged to increase vigilance against extreme weather conditions during the 2025 Christmas holiday period, particularly heavy rainfall and strong winds. BMKG also advised residents to continuously monitor the latest weather information and to anticipate the risk of hydrometeorological disasters, such as flooding, landslides, and falling trees, in order to ensure safety while carrying out daily activities and traveling.